Yeah, we headed out, maybe on a Tuesday. Gotta tell you all about my day. When there's any fit, I keep that content. You know I stay with it. Maybe makeup or a date night. Get the house clean, take a flight. It don't matter cause I need you to.
Hey guys, I just want to come on here quickly and just talk to y'all through this video that I'm doing right now. I'm going to do a little short voiceover as I decided to come on and do my makeup. So right now I'm just trying to find out what I'm going to do because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. At this time I was getting ready for church. And so I was reaching over trying to figure out what I was going to do. You know. Right now, let me see, y'all. But anyway, guys, I just want to know how y'all doing. I'm just coming on here, and it's very funny for me to do a voiceover. I'm not gonna do it straight through, but I'm gonna try to tell y'all what products that I use. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and say what I'm about to use because I'm gonna show y'all real fast. So let me go ahead and tell y'all what I use was the Maybelline Superstay Activewear number 45 and 57. Then I used the CoverGirl True Blend Golden Caramel and Bronze. And the primer was the F Pro Grip. I used that.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason.
And guys, also you saw me when I used for the contour was the Black Opal Suede Mocha. That's what I used as well. I used the setting powder for the Mented Medium Deep and the Morphe Banana Rich. Okay? All right, guys. On to the video.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless.
And guys, the foundation that I used was Born This Way Chai. And yeah, I was just trying to do something different with my face because I'm trying to do a natural beat today. Now I'm working on my eyebrows. And the brow pencil that I used was the LA Girl Perfect Persuasion. And it was brown. That's the color that I used. So yeah, so y'all go ahead and just watch me do my eyebrows for the first time on the video because I never did that before. All right, guys, on to the video.
You always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet, telling me you need me.
Hey guys, right now what I'm putting on my eyes is the Fenty Mocha Mommy, and that's my, it's supposed to be my bronzer, but I'm using it as the eyeshadow because it's very rich and it's very natural. So that's what I'm using right now on my eyes. I'm blending it in, getting it in, y'all. We got the blend. So right now, what I'm getting ready to put it in my inner tear duct is the Fenty, what is that highlight? Fenty Baby Hustler. That's what I'm putting it as a highlight right now in my inner tear duct. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, guys? So I'm going to stop talking and go ahead and y'all enjoy.
How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Likes, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right.
Hey guys, right there I was just showing you the lashes that I use. Of course, y'all know INV is my favorite individual lashes that I use. This time I used the Classics 3D Trio, and it was the long. I didn't use the Ultra this time. The Ultra is a little thicker than the Classic. The Classic is more natural. So that's why I decided to use today. So yeah, so let me go ahead and let y'all listen to this music and finish this video because it's almost to the end. I hope y'all enjoy. Hey guys, the liner that I was just using was the Juvia's Place Brownie. And everything that I told y'all about, I will link it in the description box below. Alright guys, onto the video. Guys, right there what I was using was the NK makeup. The Juicy is a lip shimmer, and it's cotton candy. That's what I have. Oh, I love these right here. Besides my own, but I got to toot my own horn. Toot toot. But yes, I love the NK makeup Juicy lip shimmers. I really do. So I just want to come on here quickly and just tell y'all guys that. All right, on to the video. Hey guys, this is the final look. It is something natural and simple that I throw on every day, or if I'm going somewhere. This is what I did to go to church. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all next time. Feels like